Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and happy Monday. Today's video is a little different than my normal Monday videos. Today, I want to talk about Battle of the Stitches, and Heather and I have been discussing some things about Battle of the Stitches now that we've done this for a while, and we want to do a little tweaking to the way that we do Battle of the Stitches. Um, and this is not going to go into effect until next month. But here's what we're doing. The changes that we're making to Battle of the Stitches are for the better, we believe, and it is better for the viewers. It's going to be good for anyone who joins us for Battle of the Stitches as a content creator as well. But we were mainly thinking about you guys as creator or as viewers and as subscribers, that this is going to probably make things a lot better for you guys. So here are the changes we're making. We're still going to keep the schedule of every Wednesday. The first Wednesday being where we introduce the stitch for the month and give you a tutorial on that stitch. The second Wednesday, we give you the sneak peek of what we're making. Third week, we reveal our finished projects and let you vote for which one you like the best. Fourth Wednesday is when we come on live to let you know whose project got the most votes, and we pick one person to win that project. Now, remember, if there's a fifth Wednesday, then we will extend the voting from the third week till the fifth week, and we will have our live on the fifth Wednesday instead of the fourth. So that we're still keeping that schedule. But what we're doing to make things much easier, we were opening it up to as many as wanted to join in each month. And it seems to be, in our discussions, it seems that that's a lot. We've had up to 6 people, and that's you guys getting on every Wednesday and having to watch 6 different videos and figure out where those videos are, and all of that. It's just a lot. And then having the voting polls on every channel that's included, and you go into 6 different places trying to figure out where to vote. So we are, from starting in June and forward, for Battle of the Stitches, here's what we're going to do. And let me know in the comments if you think this is going to be better for you. We really think it's going to be a lot better for our subscribers. So here's the difference. Here's the change. Starting in June, we are now only going to have, Heather and I will be included, are doing it every month, Heather and I. But then we are only going to invite 2 content creators to join with us each month. So that gives 4 people each month: myself, Heather, and the other 2 content creators that decide to join us that month. And that way, there's only 4 videos for you to watch each week. When we put up the voting poll, we are only going to put the voting poll up on one person's page. We haven't decided if that's going to be my page or Heather's. We're still talking about that. But one content creator's page will have the voting poll. So you only have to worry about going to one person's community tab in order to get, for their post, to get the voting. So it's just in one place. So I think that's going to be easier to find. And also, we've gotten some feedback that possibly having so many content creators at once can be a little bit intimidating for other content creators to join in. So starting in June, we will have myself, Heather, Sid from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations, and Thomas from Totally Fierce Crochet. Those are the 2 that are joining Heather and I next month. Now, we do not have anyone currently for July. So if you would like to be one of the 2 content creators to join us in July, let us know. My email will be in the description box. You can send me an email and you can let me know if you'd like to be a part of July, and we will get you set up. So just wanted to come on really quickly today and let you know about those changes for our Battle of the Stitches. We really feel like this is going to be really beneficial, and it's going to make it easier for our viewers to see all the videos. Plus, it's just going to, you know, make it easier and maybe help content creators not feel so intimidated to join in, since there's not going to be a bunch of people doing this at once. I'm looking at my notes to make sure I didn't leave anything out. Oh, yes, I knew there was something. If you are a content creator, you can still work up a project and share it on your channel, simply for content for your channel to promote Battle of the Stitches. It's just that if you, and we would love for you to do that to advertise about our Battle of the Stitches and get the word out, um, and let everybody know whose channels are involved in that month. But your project will not be included in the voting unless you're the 2 content creators that we've selected for that month to join us. Um, and you will know who those 2 are because we will email you and that'll be all set up. Excuse me, but you are more than welcome as a content creator, even if you're not the 2 that are selected for the month to join us. You can still create a video and show us the project you're making. You can still do a tutorial on your channel for that project. You just won't be included in the voting. We also will still have our Facebook page open, and you can still post pictures of your projects there on Facebook as well. So we would be very delighted for you to still do something, even though you're not the 2 selected for that particular month, to still promote. We would really appreciate it if you could still promote Battle of the Stitches on your channels. Um, so yeah, I think that's it. Let me know if if you think this is going to make things much easier, because we want this to be enjoyable for you guys. We want to do this for the content creators to get their channels out there for more people to view their channels. And so yeah, if, like I said, we don't have anyone for June or July, for July, excuse me. We don't have anyone selected, any 2 creators selected yet for July. So if you would like to be considered for Battle of the Stitches in July, shoot me an email. My email's in the description box. If not July, let me know what month you would like to join, and I will make note of that, and we will contact you prior to that month, to ask if you'd like to be a part of it. So that's just an update for Battle of the Stitches. And so I will see you tomorrow for Tuesday. We're finished with our Technique Tuesday A to Z. So I am going to be coming on with a video that is highlighting one of the different learning styles and how we apply that to crochet. So I'll see you tomorrow for that video. I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday. Thank you for your support of Critters Crochet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.